everybody, Zach here coming at you from the 6.0. It is a bumpy road here, but yeah, it's kind of an exciting trip here. We are headed down to Greenwood, Indiana today, and we are going to a freight depot. Yeah, so I broke down. I've been having some issues with my 302 Trailblazer, and I broke down and bought a new engine drive. So it came down to either buying a Pro 400, which is the low-speed diesel, or a 325 diesel Trailblazer, which is the high-speed diesel. Both of them, I kind of ruled it down to getting the Kubota motor in it. Both of them, you know, arc reach, you know, all that jazz. I ended up going for the Trailblazer just because it's smaller, lighter, and if I burnt rods and stuff all day, every day, it would have been a no-brainer going for the bigger welder there, but it's not really, that's not really what I do. So I ended up getting the Trailblazer, and also it'll bolt into the skid that I built for the white truck already. And anyway, yeah, let's go pick that sucker up. I'm kind of anxious to play with it. Alright, so now we just got to figure out how the hell to get out of here. This place has like 500 and some docks. I've never seen anything quite this big before, but anyway, we're going to try and get out of here and show you guys unloading this thing and opening it up. It should be exciting. I'm anxious to play with it.